In the heart of Lucknow, capital of Uttar Pradesh, India's most populous state with a massive 80 Lok Sabha seats, Naushad, one of the last Gulabo Sitabo puppeteers, a traditional but dying art form that tells the story of the vibrant old Lucknow, says he fondly remembers performances at late BJP stalwart Lalji Tandon's Lucknow home and at the homes of other prominent Lucknow-based politicians.
ये भाई सिताबो हैं और ये गुलाबो हैं। ये 2 किलो मक्खन खा गई अकबरी गेट पे और ये अमीनाबाद वाली गड़बड़ झाले की है। ये कठपुतली पहले जमाने में चलती थी, नवाबों के जमाने में ये नवाबों की चीज है, पूरी दुनिया में नहीं मिलेगी गुलाबो सिताबो।
While Naushad's Gulabo Sitabo might not have many takers now, but he fondly remembers his performance at the late Atal Bihari Vajpayee's birth anniversary. The stalwart who became the first BJP MP from Lucknow in 1991 and won it 5 consecutive times.
The peak of the Ram Temple movement in the late 80s and the early 90s coincided with electoral gains for the BJP in many parts of the country. The BJP won Lucknow for the first time in the 1991 Lok Sabha election, with Atal Bihari Vajpayee being chosen as the MP. The city chose former Prime Minister Vajpayee as their MP for 5 straight terms, and the BJP has not lost Lucknow in over 3 decades now.
From 1991, the BJP has been winning the Lucknow seat every single time. Atal Bihari Vajpayee, Lalji Tandon, and now the BJP has fielded their sitting member of parliament, Rajnath Singh, the defence minister.
Rajnath Singh won the 2014 election with a margin of 2,72,000 votes. In 2019, that margin rose to over 3 lakh votes.
राजनाथ जी का ये तीसरा टर्म है और इस बार वो 5 लाख से ज्यादा वोटों से लखनऊ से चुनाव जीते। मुझे तो लगता है कि अभी तक गठबंधन का प्रत्याशी ही नहीं तय हुआ है, तो रविदास मेहरोत्रा अंत तक लड़ेंगे इसकी गारंटी न सपाइयों को है और न ही आम जनमानस में है।
Despite being formidable forces in the state, the Samajwadi Party and the BSP have never been able to win the Lucknow seat. In 2019, the SP and BSP were in alliance, but then still Rajnath Singh managed to defeat the alliance by over 3.5 lakh votes. This time, while the BSP has decided to contest solo, the SP and the Congress are in alliance, and it is Ravidas Mehrotra of the Samajwadi Party who will be fighting against Defence Minister Rajnath Singh.
The main challenger to Rajnath Singh in this election is this man, Samajwadi Party MLA from the Lucknow Central seat, Ravidas Mehrotra, a political veteran from the city who first became MLA in 1989 and a former minister under the Akhilesh Yadav government.
जो भारतीय जनता पार्टी के सांसद हैं, उनको लखनऊ की जनता से, उनके कष्ट से कोई मतलब नहीं। हम लोग लगातार जनता के बीच में रहते हैं, चुनाव के दौरान भी जनता से मिलने का काम कर रहे हैं।
With over 24 lakh people, the urban population in Lucknow is around 65%. There are around 70% Hindus and more than 20% Muslims living in Lucknow. But most of these people come to this iconic Sharma tea stall for their daily chai and samosa.
भाई बीजेपी जीतेगी इस बार भी।
ऐसा क्यों बोलते हो?
और कोई टक्कर में है भी तो नहीं उसके इस टाइम। जैसे कोई एक स्ट्रॉन्ग अपोनेंट भी चाहिए होता है किसी को हराने के लिए, इस टाइम वो है नहीं। तो इस टाइम बीजेपी को ही है।
चुनाव माहौल इंडिया गठबंधन इस बार अच्छी बहुमत से हो सकता है।
ऐसा क्यों? कहीं सरकार कम
क्योंकि महंगाई, बेरोजगारी, सारी व्यवस्थाएं सरकार मोदी सरकार द्वारा है।
With the increase in modernity, Lucknow perhaps still carries the elegance of Mughal era. Not just food, architecture, but also the artwork. But what do artisans of Lucknow that gave Lucknow its identity think about the upcoming elections?
Lucknow's traditional Zari Zardozi industry has for long served as a means of livelihood to many in the city. But artisans like Haider Ali, who has been working for 2 decades, say it's fading away despite government claims of support.
In politics, there is a very old saying that the road to Delhi passes via Lucknow. In this crucial election of alliances, there is a special attention on those who are going solo. The BSP has put their candidate in Lucknow as well, Sarwar Malik. Now, with the BSP entering the poll battle, who will it actually benefit? The NDA bloc or the India bloc, or can BSP take the Lucknow seat? The people will reveal their choices on 4th of June. With camera person Virendra Kumar Saini, Tanish Punjabi for NDTV.